This is how they celebrate Simbang Gabi here in Singapore. My dear friends, I'm here in St. Vincent de Paul Church in Yio Chu Kang in Singapore. And I just wanted to tell you a story. There is this one man who is very famous in a town. They called it the most great carpenter. Siya yung carpentero for the several years. Lahat ng ginawa niya is so majestic, beautiful, so awesome, napakaganda. And then after years of doing that, he decided, I'm 60 years old, I want to retire. And then after months of retiring, merong isang lalaki na lumapit sa kanya. Sabi niya, just one last house. Sige na po, gustong-gusto po namin magpagawa sa inyo ng bahay. And that man said, sige na, magbibigyan na kita. And then for several months after doing the house, to be honest with you, that's the worst house na ginawa niya. Why? Simply because that man, the carpenter, has no passion anymore in doing the house. Ladies and gentlemen, there's 5 days before Christmas. No matter what's your work now, nasan ka man ngayon, you're in different field, I want you to find that passion. That passion will bring you to being a champion. That passion will bring you to your dreams. And to my dear friends in Team Rejuvenix and Life Changers, before the year ends, before we celebrate Christmas, you have to be ready because 2015 is a great year for us. And with your very true passion, with your decision na ginawa mo ngayon, you will prosper and God will bless you a lot. From here in Singapore, advance Merry Christmas to all. Be blessed. Wraps it up.